These aren't ordinary kitchen gadgets, they're smart, time-saving, and some are going viral across the US. Number one, because it's one of the coolest kitchen gadgets you can actually buy. Let's get started. This is Fullstar Vegetable Chopper Pro. If chopping vegetables is your least favorite kitchen task, this gadget will completely change that. The Fullstar Vegetable Chopper slices, dices, and chops onions, tomatoes, peppers, and more in just seconds. It's fast, safe, easy to clean, and one of the most popular kitchen tools on Amazon. And this is GE Profile Smart Indoor Smoker. Love BBQ but don't have a backyard? This smart indoor smoker lets you smoke brisket, ribs, chicken, and more right inside your kitchen. It uses advanced smoke filtration, so you get authentic smoky flavor without filling your home with smoke. Now it comes Chef IQ Sense Smart Thermometer. Cooking meat perfectly has never been easier. This wireless smart thermometer tracks internal temperature in real time and sends updates directly to your phone. No more cutting into your steak to check if it's done. And this is Typhur Dome Air Fryer. This isn't just another air fryer. The Typhur Dome cooks food faster thanks to its powerful dual heating system. It delivers crispy fries, juicy chicken, and evenly cooked meals while using less oil than traditional frying. Ninja Crispi Portable Glass Air Fryer. This is one of the hottest kitchen gadgets in America right now. The Ninja Crispi uses a portable glass cooking container, letting you cook, serve, and store food in the same bowl. It's compact, easy to clean, and perfect for small kitchens, meal prep, and quick family dinners. Which of these kitchen gadgets would you actually use every day? Let us know in the comments, and subscribe to Vyrox Gadgets for more amazing gadgets and future technology.